for you Jimmy Wakasa, Airway, Nanuni, a use to a poor of we. Now, make them say, a man called the enemy ni problem one say, or pa, oh, some say, well, what did you actually say? Prequa, Sadia Dolly no was signing no intiminante. What to what no Jimmy? Na nipa ya yiba ko bi so aba wono bruni bi so aba so ndi e ben kan ni din kwa
ya se friend mama ba so person ya star
yeah wo mama
se for pa mama social media ma star here de
wo mama ba wanim set to ontontom na wuja on na so ba enem he so work enam se brade mo pa na wunim se edu ba bi aya na ya ubieja no nya MPP fo bi asa be catch yourself to boase eno na ya na ya no
eno no ye na ye je for how many years mi kodi obi ma mi kurase ni atem obi si kwase empanya atem a wase ye na ni atem na ntu obi abanye ye tie ye nya ye timi nye because
no we kin David mo mu jono mu tu futro gu nkrofo ni na wo hini mu awuni ma bakosem anka wo de anka ba mu wani aso because me say hwe enena me ka bi je obi
osuro se brand be din atem because we panyina na nimo hale ye be din atem ti wa hwe dressing wanyina wa dress a emfata doma
enena me ka kire obi se sana Captain Smart mo edu obo mu twa bokofo saa ani to mo yema abani free MPP nsa kofo free ho no mu wiye no abege Captain Smart mo so de o mo sa say kofo ye best president me say me de me maka makese wo mo me say obi pia wo so nsa fa edan ho eso light wo ye ka face the country ho nyame ntua wo ka obi pia obai ko school free na unya skatu botom no nyankopon won tua wo ka because ene Captain Smart wo jimi na de to wo de radio station ho no wo nua ho no wo aboa wo funu satama na wo adom no na mo
obi a wo nyansa enye jimi for the Captain Smart etiefo no meka obi onim nyansa kona kohwe the policy document for one district one factory na ka kire me where it said say government nkwa na besi those factories no mon pointing out to mommy Captain Smart, I want you to go for the one district, one factory policy. Look at the document. Point the line that said, say, government is going to be the sole constructor of these whole factories we are talking about. Bring it out. Let us see. But do you know why you are able to do that, Captain Smart? You do that because you have no respect for the people that listen to you. You do that because you have no respect for the Ghanaians who have the like who even takes the chance to even patronize your show. Because per the policy document of one district, one factory, we are told that government in conjunction with private sector, keyword, government in conjunction with private sector will bring one district, one factory. So there are some factories that are going to be started from scratch, that is spearheaded by the government. There are other ones that the government is going to partner with businessmen, such as Ibrahim Mahama, aka Jata Cement. Utie, just so you know, where Muye Ghana for one. The way our mama membu ne kono, the way our mama wiase kono, mama Ghana kono. Se mo anhwe ye be kakra ho. Wan kasa obeton wa wo ho amaniba. Because adwene amode twene no e wo fom toto. Mutie, madwene amode twene ne ama ho no e wo fom. Inti Ghana ni se wo spend 1 minute e di read ade a ebe ye wo den ebe kun. Like seriously. So it take you 1 minute. It take you 1 minute pe. Now o the kind idea sabe Ghana ni ube wu. Into betena wa ye Jimmy fo atete kwa asa ama kwa sie bi te se Captain Smart abedada wa se wa brabo. Ube jeja wo ama Captain Smart e mo no abeka kire wo say ono no ne what the policy ono no ne wa adwene e this sebe ye this is on mine into mumbisa sa akwasia Captain Smart ne say adent na assembly man going to me nyina bi da because you know your track record is abysmal and stupid. Because onim so ono ankasa na maame pontu aba ma no because onim se ono oba na ye kronfo. Onim pefe Captain Smart maame onim se ne ba na ye kronfo. Because onim bibi government hire policy, one district, one factory, in conjunction with the private sector. Factories need to be buying a sin scratch. Factories need to be also a private sector and are joining a YC. Captain Smart, which part of in conjunction with private sector don't you understand? What was we Jimmy for? Captain Smart, what was we bought down for why you need na de bi obenyan kwase afo ebe betie o na ya na ya mega mo amokotie ye no mo na mo ye jime fo mo amoba betie ti ankwase asem we no mo na ya na mo ho ye me nwanwa mo na ya na mo ho ye me nwanwa Captain Smart gina ho ebe kasa preko Captain Smart 2016 kasa preko no o ma ho den wo he just say adie bia di mpuntu obebe bia no these people lack the vision to say na mo ye jime for class sa freedom fighters took the country for aten na mo ye dom sa aten na mo adwene ewu sa aten na mo ye jime for asefo sa face the country for aten na mo adwene enye adwuma sa me be sa question no se factory gu ana se factory e gu na sa ban bi hu nyansa unlike Captain Smart no mo party NDC for na ade egu o mo behwema na egu no sa ban bi hu sa ade ye ma na ngu na mbom ye discabeshem ama na gina na etumi afa nipa government na yebone Captain Smart which part of the government just say like just say when you the same way is the same thing is the same thing ena away Amila how do you call him Avram Bemoshi say ena okaso be see 88 on sim we had no kwesi 11 agenda 111 or the better dying also a common sense family now so when read and who no say 88 na naka so be see no yeah the reassess ni bibi area who say there are other districts are only need these hospitals so we need to include them and that is how the number changed from 88 to 111 Abraham Bushi also a common sense family where ready and kind no antiasie. And I win see when we had na basic 111 because when say obeka sana who get to you to know a better why you say and I don't know cross you basic 88 when see we had no basic 111 but it was the same project. It was the same project. There was nothing different. Mutie, it was the same project. Because I still don't understand. President Corona ba ebe expose ye ni na say ye man no eba no infrastructure in terms of healthcare we lack it. We lack infrastructure when it comes to healthcare. District 88 now we initially saw say Omuni district hospital so they need to get district hospital. Then after rebase na yet na say edwindwini hu ye ne hu say there be o sa na ye won krofo bi kura wo bipo mu ho a na say wura mu ho a omoso mu ni district hospital enti yam form nka ho na instead of 88 no yam pesika kese